When you are skipping your unit test cases, we are using this skip property. And when we run all those unit test cases, then you will notice that this is the output that we are receiving. What is the output? First, you are getting the name of your method that you have mentioned. For example, we are skipping this unit test case. Then this method name is displayed at this place with a reason. The reason is coming from this place. So this is the message. So for example, you want to improve the readability at this place. So instead of displaying this method name, you want to display something else. You can also do that by using one more property at this place. What is that property? So for example, here I'm writing this display name, and here I can write any proper human readable name. So for example, is empty with empty string returns true. In C Sharp, you cannot write this kind of method name for your method because it has some spaces. But for the readability, you want to display these type of names, then simply use the display name. Then what will happen? Every time you will skip your unit test case, instead of using this name that you will define at this place will be used. Now, if I save my changes and run this unit test case, let's see what will happen. Remember, what is the method name that we are having here? Is empty with empty string returns null. So this is the method name that we are defining, and this is displayed at this place with that same reason. So this is not serving any major purpose. It is just to improve the readability. For example, you are creating some reports, and in those reports, instead of displaying the actual method name, you can use this display name, which will give you an alternative way to define your method name. This concept is very simple, but in some cases, this could be very useful. We were using this display name only for the ignored methods. But what will happen if you are using this display name without this skip? Then how this will work? So for example, I'm using this display name without the skip. Now let's just execute it and see how this will behave. At this place, you will notice that we are getting the proper name of this method. So it means this display name you can use for ignore test cases, for normal test cases. This is just to improve your reporting. If instead of writing this actual name, you want to write some custom name, then feel free to use this display name property.